Hello everyone, this is Shaq from Shaq's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Tronsmart Mega Pro Bluetooth speaker. It's packed with features and it produces great sound and especially great lows. So if you are a fan of bass, this one is for you. This is a taster of what is coming next in the video, so please don't go anywhere because I'm gonna entertain your eyes and ears. 60 Hz. Turned off. This is how you switch it on. But first, let's start our review with the unboxing and some tech specs. Okay, now I'm going to switch on the Bluetooth speaker and I'm going to connect it to my MP3 player, and now I'm going to search for it. So as you can see, it's at the bottom here on the list. Alright guys, let's have a look at the controls now. So from left to right, this is for controlling your phone with your voice, controlling Google, Siri and Cortana. This button here is a multi-function button to scroll through your inputs from TF card to your import, the aux in, then to the Bluetooth mode. This is to add in extra speakers. This is the EQ button with 3 settings. You've got the flat one when it's turned off, which is that. And then you've got the vocal mode with the green light. And then the blue one is for 3D mode. Then you've got the play and pause, previous track, next track, and NFC to connect any compatible devices to it. And obviously the volume up and down, which you use by sliding your finger. So any of these buttons actually touch sensitive, they're not physical buttons, which is great. Now a quick look at the back. So as you can see, that's your power button there. And then we have the inputs, so we've got aux in on the left there. We've got the TF card at the top. And as you can see, I already have a SD card plugged in here. So this card is 256 gigabyte and it plays absolutely fine. There's the USB charge out port and the USB-C charge in port. Right, from the front we've got 3 speakers. We've got the main one here in the middle, which is woofer. It's looking after the low frequencies and bass. And then we've got here 2 full range speakers for the mids and for the highs. And at the back we've got the passive radiator, which I use to extend the bass. Alright, let's start with some music that contains lyrics so we can hear the mids. found that 3D mode very entertaining. The sound obviously from the name comes out spacious and is quite crystal clear and fills in the room with sound. You're gonna have to try it on a few songs that you know and you will see how entertaining the sound becomes. Okay guys, now I'm gonna play music at full volume. So you're just gonna measure how loud the speaker can get. So you're just gonna set that to maximum. So it only measures the maximum volume. Alright, now just gonna quickly have a look at the frequency range. So obviously every speaker can make noises up to 20 kilohertz here, but what we're going to focus on today is how low this speaker can get to. Obviously it's got a built-in subwoofer which produces low frequency, so I'm just going to measure which low frequency is being picked up. this is impressive. I could see frequency all the way down to 30 Hertz, which is here. Can you see it? This first bar here is 30 Hertz, which is quite low for a speaker of this size. But impressive. I'm gonna play a song made for subwoofers and let's see if we can see a difference.
3, 2, 1.
Slow down the bass.
Wow, very impressive sound. If you heard this music from another room, you would have never guessed the size of the speaker. You'd think it's quite large for the sound it's making.
3, 2, 1, go.
Let me also inform you that there is no EQ setting at all. The speaker EQ is switched off and I have no equalizer set on my MP3 player. It's basically flat, as you can see, it's turned off. This is how you switch it on. As you can see, it's switched off. Alright guys, also while I was reviewing the speaker, I've noticed that the light on the top is extremely cool in the darkness. Let me just turn off my lights. Can you see it? It's amazing. Let me just turn off the other lights. It's basically not too bright, not too dim. It's just the perfect brightness level. Okay guys, I just want to show you how the NFC works. My phone, I don't have the Bluetooth speaker added, so I'm going to use NFC instead. Straight away. Are you sure you want to pair the Bluetooth device Tronsmart Mega Pro? Click yes, and that's it. Alright guys, so the inputs at the back. So we have the aux in, which I will test in a minute, but we have the TFT card, which is the SD card. As you can see, there is already one in there. My SD card is 256 gigabyte. Don't know if you can see it, but it's a large SD card and it still reads it absolutely fine. So let's insert that. As soon as you insert it, it just plays the song. So I see you rolling up over black Cadillac. And skip. Volume up and volume down. EQ. Alright, everything works okay. So now let's try the aux in, which many speakers don't have anymore. So it's great to see it here. And it's great for MP3 players that don't have Bluetooth, or any music instruments that require quick response without any lags. And also if you have a TV that you want to upgrade the sound, you can plug this into without having any sound lags. So I'm just gonna plug in my MP3 player jack over there. So I'm just gonna change the input again. And that is the aux in. I know it because I'm playing Symphony number 5 on it. As you can see. Alright guys, here I'm just going to show you that you can plug in your music instrument as well, so you don't get any delays over Bluetooth. So just going to pick up any song. And the sound is coming out amazing, by the way, all the way from lows, mids and highs. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please press the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye!